Hey, everyone. Today I'm talking about a remarkable figure who touched millions of lives, Pope Francis. Born Jorge Mario Bergoglio on December 17, 1936, in Buenos Aires, Argentina, Pope Francis's journey to the papacy is nothing short of extraordinary. He joined the Society of Jesus, or the Jesuits, in 1958 and was ordained a priest in 1969. His deep commitment to faith and social justice propelled him through the ranks of the Church. On March 13, 2013, history was made when he was elected the 266th Pope, becoming the first Latin American Pope, the first non-European Pope in over 1,200 years, and the first from the Southern Hemisphere. Pope Francis was known for his humble and accessible style, often shunning traditional papal luxuries and embracing simplicity. He emphasized mercy, compassion, and inclusivity. Whether it was visiting impoverished areas or engaging with the public, his actions spoke volumes about his commitment to helping others. Throughout his papacy, he championed key issues such as social justice, poverty alleviation, and environmental protection. In 2015, he published Laudato Si', a powerful encyclical addressing climate change and urging global action. His progressive stances on LGBTQ+ rights and divorce showcased his willingness to adapt the Church to modern times. Pope Francis also made significant strides in interfaith dialogue, promoting understanding and cooperation among different religions. His efforts to address rising anti-Semitism and conflicts in regions like Gaza highlighted his dedication to peace and human dignity. In his later years, Pope Francis faced several health challenges. Hospitalized for over 5 weeks starting February 14, 2025 with serious medical issues, his resilience was truly inspiring. Despite his frailty, he made a final Easter appearance on April 20, 2025, greeting crowds from a Pope-mobile and balcony. Over 50,000 people attended the Easter Mass, a testament to his enduring influence and love from the faithful. Sadly, Pope Francis passed away at the age of 88, but his legacy lives on. He modernized the Church, promoted inclusivity, and left a lasting impact on climate change and social justice. His commitment to interfaith relations reminds us of the importance of unity and compassion in our world. Let's remember Pope Francis not just as a leader of the Catholic Church, but as a humble servant who dedicated his life to making the world a better place. Thanks for watching, and let's keep his spirit alive by living with kindness and compassion every day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories.